Welcome to the first episode of the Excel Data Analysis PT series. PT is for pivot tables. This video is PT00. It is an introduction about what we will discuss in the next 10 episodes, and this will include PT01, creation of pivot table layout and design, PT02, refresh and update, 3, grouping of data, 4, calculated fields and items, 5, auto generation of multiple reports. 6, 7, and 8 will discuss presentation and visualization, including custom styles, pivot table charts, or pivot charts and slicers. 09 will be based on data model, and 10 will be based on Power Query and connection, and maybe more during this comprehensive series for Excel data analysis. Stay tuned for PT01. It will be coming very soon. Please like this video and share and subscribe to the channel. See you next video, and thank you very much for your time, and bye.